Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing a super helpful feature on YouTube TV, how to record only new episodes of your favorite shows. No more sifting through repeats, just the fresh content you're looking for. If you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Alright, so you're tired of recording the same Law and Order episode for the 5th time? I get it. Here's how to make sure YouTube TV only records the new ones. First, head over to your YouTube TV library. You can access this either through the YouTube TV app on your streaming device, smart TV, or on your computer. Next, find the show you want to manage. Let's say it's the Great British Baking Show, because who doesn't love cake? Click on the show's tile in your library. Now look for the Upcoming tab. You should see a list of upcoming episodes. This is where the magic happens. Locate the 3 vertical dots, or the More Options menu, near the show's title or within the Upcoming section. Click on those dots. A menu will pop up. You should see an option that says something like Record New Episodes, or Record Only New Episodes. Select this option. And that's it. From now on, YouTube TV will only record new episodes of the Great British Baking Show, or whatever show you chose. But what if you don't see the Record Only New Episodes option? Don't panic. It might be worded slightly differently depending on your device or the specific show. Look for anything that allows you to customize recording options. Sometimes it's under Recording Options, or similar. If you're still not seeing the option, it's possible that the show doesn't offer this feature. Some older shows, or shows with very irregular schedules, might not support recording only new episodes. One more important tip: double-check your library settings every now and then. YouTube TV updates occasionally, and sometimes settings can revert to their default values. Just to be safe, make sure Record New Episodes is still selected for your favorite shows. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to keep your YouTube TV library clutter-free and filled with only the episodes you want to see. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.